people. I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab.
The need for sustainable development amidst an ever-expanding global population and diminishing resources on land has engendered a worldwide shift from green or brown economy to blue economy. According to estimations of economists, the ocean economy can increase the assets up to almost 24 trillion US dollars and can be healthy for the ecosystem as well. In this connection, Pakistan can extract maximum gains from growth of its economy like blue economy because it has a long coastal line and has an untapped maritime potential that offers multiple opportunities for the country. To that effect, and to securitize the significance of its blue economy, it is therefore imperative for Pakistan to not only work for economic dividends but also ensure human security of the coastal population by prioritizing its maritime sector. Against this backdrop, our today's sitting revolves around importance of blue economy, challenges and prospects available at Pakistan's disposal to make the most of its maritime sector,